Good morning and welcome to, I guess good afternoon's more appropriate, Meet the Teacher Night. My name is Dr. Deborah Bautista, and I have been given the honor of teaching your students honors chemistry, and I am so excited for this year. We're going to have a lot of fun, and I have a really great group of kids. So a little bit about me. I got my PhD in organic chemistry in 2001. I was then given a tenure track position at Eastern Kentucky University, where I was tenured, promoted, etc. I had over $1 million in grants, and unfortunately, my husband was unable to find a job in the area, so I left that position and came back to Memphis, where I was given the position at Christian Brothers High School, where I taught for about 7 years. But at the end of that, in 2013, just before Christmas, my son-in-law died unexpectedly, and my daughter really needed some help. And so at the end of that school year, I resigned my position, and I got the privilege of homeschooling her 2 boys and raising her little girl for about 2 years. And it was an amazing experience. And then as Izzy got old enough to go into preschool, it was decided that I would go back to school, teaching school. And I got this position at SBA. And I started half-time for the first year and then went to full-time. And I love every minute of being at SBA. It is an amazing place, and you have amazing children. I am married 41 years to my husband, and we have 4 beautiful children that are all grown, and we have 5 amazing grandchildren. I have boy-girl twins in Illinois, and I have then the 3 kids here in Memphis. So if you need to contact me, the best way to do that would be via email. I have the email on my phone, and even in the evenings I will probably respond to you, maybe with something just as quick as "I'm not sure, let me check into that and I'll get back to you." And you'll likely get an email from me at like 5, 6 in the morning. It's ridiculously early, but you'll have your answers as quickly as I can get it to you. And that is absolutely the best way to reach me. If you do that, please, if you could give me the child's name as well as class period, that helps me locate the information faster. If you say honors chemistry, I know instantly what class you're speaking of. I only have one honors chemistry class. If you really feel you need to reach out and call me on the phone, my extension is 2220. I prefer email communication just because we both have a record of what we've decided needs to be done, so I can look back on that and make sure I'm following what I said I would do. So it helps me keep track of everything. So their textbook for honors chemistry is an actual college text. It is written at a college level, but it is free, and it is on OpenStax, and we use that both in honors chemistry and then again in AP chemistry. Whatever calculator they have for math is going to be absolutely perfect for me, and I want them to use composition notebooks for their work in my class. It keeps everything organized. If I make a mistake on a grade, they simply can show it to me, and I will be instantly able to fix their grade. So it keeps everybody organized. They do need a charged computer. Due to social distancing, I can't hand out a charger. I can't let them move around to charge their computer, so please make sure they remember to charge it. And they need something to write with, and I don't care whether they use blue, black, or purple ink. Due to COVID-19 as well, labs were going to have to be either demos or dry labs, and I've given them some things to work on in class, and we've done a few things, and I've asked them to complete other things at home so that they can get the experiences they need to do in measuring and other things. Others will be demos, or I will give them like a data sheet where I've collected the data and taken pictures, and then they complete the calculations, etc. Quizzes and tests will be in Plus portals sometimes, but since I have no remote learners in this class, I will likely do paper tests for sure. and I will probably do online quizzes for them. The honor code is expected, and I am sure I will have no issues with your students. If they run into trouble and they need tutoring, they can come by any morning before school to my room. If they want to come after school, I just ask that they let me know so I can make sure I stick around in my room so they can find me. So, the honors chemistry class syllabus is in Plus Portals. We do a flipped classroom. That gives us time in class for questions, working through problems they're having trouble with, and I ask that they actually work on what we would consider homework in their class, so that when they get stuck, I can come over, look at it, and point out where they've forgotten to do something or they have a little error in their thinking. Their notes will be done at home. So they'll watch a video like you're watching now, they'll read their textbook, and they'll take notes on those. And then we work on classwork, what we consider homework in class. And that way you guys don't have to know any chemistry. You just can make sure they're doing their videos and their notes, and all will be good. So at home they're taking their notes, we're working problems in class. Homework should take them no more than 20 minutes. If your student, and I can't stress this enough, is working for more than 20 minutes on an assignment, tell them to stop and tell them to email me, let me know what's going on, and we'll work it out in class. I'm not going to count that late if they can't complete it. Sometimes chemistry is just hard, and you think you understand it until you try and do that problem. So they need to stop. They can email me or ask in class so that we can get it fixed. And then they'll probably be able to finish it before the end of class, and everything will be just fine. So with that being said, please email me with any questions. I'm looking forward to a fantastic year. It's going to be great. And all I have left to say to you guys is thank you for letting me teach your children. And God bless and go Eagles. Have a great year.